Well, this is where I started a year ago. Let's take a look and see how it looks today and the process I took to clean it all up. Okay, here's what I'm after here. Oh, the mouse droppings, getting it all vacuumed out. Pretty dirty stuff. But we'll get it cleaned up. Okay, with a wire brush and a vacuum, I was able to get most of the mouse droppings out. Cleaned it all out best I could. There's still some tin foil stuck in there, but big improvement. Even smells better now. I still got some more work to do. I'll clean it out some more and get some soap and water and something to neutralize it, but it's a step in the right direction. Okay, I'm back in the Model A again. Here's the back seat pan that I've cleaned, sterilized, brushed, vacuumed, just about everything I possibly could to clean it up. Picked up a can of this undercoating that a friend of mine had left me, so perfect for this kind of application. I will apply it and let you see what the results are. Okay, mission completed. Got it all painted. It's all done. It smells. I had my PPE, my respirator on, so and I did it outside too. A nice breeze, but it's all sealed up. Let it dry for a few days, and then I'll put the original back seat back in. Okay, here's the top back seat. I was able to deodorize it and get most of the odor out. In fact, I don't smell any at all. It's been sitting about 6 months up in my attic during the winter. I thoroughly sanitized it. I'll put a list of things I've used on there. A lot of OxiClean, some vinegar, even a little bit of dish soap. I cleaned it out really well. And after some thorough cleaning, here's the rear seat, how it turned out. Now this is the bottom portion. Let me come around to the front a little bit. Some shadows here, but give you an idea. It cleaned up pretty well, but there's still some stains in it. But the thing is, it smells good. Got rid of all of the odors from the mouse turds and all kinds of other debris in there, dust, a lot of rust from the leaky roof. So we're going to put it in today and see how it looks. Okay, there's the top back seat installed. As you can see there, of course, got the pan all painted. We're ready for the bottom section. Okay, as you can see, I don't have the passenger seat in. Those are my little air fresheners up there, and they're actually, the odor they give off, or the scent we'll call it, is the new car smell. So actually it smells like a new car in here. So here we go. Here's the original seat back in. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad in comparison to what it was, but it is original. It is 90 years old. So there we go.